Hi, lovely audience. Kwame the Wanderer here. Today, I'm in Coventry. Coventry is a coastal suburb of Maroochydore in the mouth of the Maroochydore River. Here, water lovers can access aquatic activities like kayaking, canoeing, swimming, and fishing. Here is also an idyllic spot to picnic, enjoy the pristine water bodies, and breathe in some fresh ocean air. Maroochydore Beach, which is just around the corner, is a very stunning beach, and it's a place where both locals and visitors go to surf. Coventry itself is a suburb of Maroochydore. Maroochydore is the main commercial hub and the most built-up area in the Sunshine Coast region. Lest we forget, this is an Australian War Memorial. Rotary Park. I'm now crossing the bridge to the part of Maroochydore which shares boundary with Coventry, called Duport Avenue. So today's video will feature mainly Coventry, where I started, and other random places in Maroochydore, which is in close proximity to Coventry because they are all interconnected. This is Ocean Street. Ocean Street is a popular street for both locals and tourists right in the heart of Maroochydore. This is a dining and entertainment center. This street hosts a lot of restaurants, bars, and cafes. A beautiful, vibrant mural found somewhere at the center of Maroochydore. beautiful Maroochydore back on the Duport Avenue. Now standing on the Wharf Street Pier, capturing all the actions whilst enjoying a scenic view of the Maroochydore River and Goat Island right in front of me, covered in green lush vegetation. My present location is the Esplanade, one of the main streets in Coventry. This is Maroochydore Rotary Park. On this park you will find monuments, memorial, playgrounds, trees to provide you some shade, as well as public toilets. You can also access facilities like shaded picnic tables, electric barbecues, all set up for you. I'm enjoying the vibe. Coventry is a very nice suburb. No wonder it's popular with domestic and international tourists. There are a lot of holiday resorts, caravan park, hotels, and all the in-betweens around here. Also, you will find street side cafes, fashion boutiques mixed with surf shops, whilst Coventry Market is held on every Sunday morning. This market is famous for the selling of handicrafts. We are now in the peak tourist season. That's why there's heaps of cars everywhere. It's hard to get a park at the moment. So I was lucky to be able to get a car park. The numbers speak for itself, reflecting how popular this place is to tourists. It's a nice place to be. A good place to have fun, relax, and rejuvenate yourself. Looks like the center of Coventry. Here's where you find the restaurants, juice bar, ice cream, news agent, grocery, seafood, and the butcher. The Coventry Sunday Market is also hosted on this very ground. Every Sunday, the car park is blocked from public access and it will be occupied by market stalls where you can buy handicrafts and other unique products. Beach car park. Everywhere is packed. Everyone wants a little piece of the paradise. The climate of the Sunshine Coast is very good in most part of the year, as it has been exhibited by the name Sunshine Coast. So it's sunny most part of the year, and this justifies the reason why the outdoor lifestyle and the beach culture thrives in this part of the country. Almost every day you can go out for an adventure, have some fun, enjoy beautiful sceneries and nature. Greetings from paradise. Wow, look at the clean white sand, blue sea and sky. This is paradise. I'm in Maroochydore Beach. It's very windy today, but it's still lovely. It's a very good reason for someone else. As you can see on the beach, people are here to kite surf. Huge caravan park, all packed with tourists. Cotton trees making a killing, mate. That's very good. Positive. News agent. Butcher. Food store. Bakery. Seafood. Cotton Tree has some nice restaurant to grab some fish and chips. Surf shop as usual. On this street, we will find a lot of hotels, holiday apartments, and resorts. It indicates how the hospitality industry is an integral part of the economy here. Maroochydore Beach. Let's go and have a look at the Maroochydore Beach. The beach houses. Life's a beach. It's all about beach, 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 beach. Can you see that? The Sunshine Coast is truly beach lovers' paradise. This region offers hundreds and hundreds of beaches. I would even say a million, though it won't reach a million, but I want you to understand there are heaps of world-class beaches all over here. At every corner of the Sunshine Coast, there's an awesome beach. Beach life is very, very prevalent here. A power craft for rescue missions already set up to launch when someone is in need. Surf lifesavers play integral part in the Australian beach culture. They rescue those in trouble in case of drowning, shark attack, or any misfortune which will happen to a beach attender. Surf lifesavers are like the guardians of the beach, and they do a very good job. That's Maroochydore Beach in its immaculate state. That's how pristine the beach looks like without many beach goers. This building is for the Maroochydore Surf Life Saving Club. Well, I think I've given you quite a reasonable perspective of Coventry and other areas in Maroochydore. I'll bring this episode to an end here. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. See you next time. Have a good one.